everybody? How's everyone going today? I am coming back to you on my beautiful Street Fighter. Just doing a little bit of commuting to uni since today's the first day back at uni. And today is gonna be a long ass day. My first class starts at 8 AM and my last class finishes at 6. So I'm gonna be absolutely knackered. But for the most part, I should be alright, because I am dodging a 37-degree day. Degree? What the hell was that? Degree day. So, yeah, boy is kind of happy that he gets to sit in an air-conditioned class for most of the peak heat time. And obviously I brought my toys, like my headphones and iPad. Well, I need my iPad to take notes and all that kind of stuff, but yes sir. I do not need to be in this high gear or doing that kind of speed. But yeah, first day back at uni. And hopefully this will be my last year. If not, I should be graduating, fingers crossed, middle of next year. And then I'm a freebie. And then a whole other can of worms, I guess, trying to find jobs, and this kind of economy is kind of scary. But for the most part, should be right. The commute so far has been quite interesting, as you would have already seen on the video. That yeah, that highway that's been constantly worked on is a pain in the buttocks, and there's not a hell of a lot that can be done about it, because that highway is the bane of my existence. But oh well, just gotta put up with it. But yeah, one of the old boys on the bikes, frickin' hell, I don't think he was confident with filtering, but at one point I was at the back. I was like, oh yeah, there's only 4 of us here. I moved past the CF Moto and looked back. There were another 3 damn bikes just back there. Like including the CF Moto, there was another 2 bikes behind him. I was just like, Jesus Christ, mate, what are you doing? And then that little freaking retarded L-plater in their little bug, not looking. I could see her. She's just like starting to merge in, while there was a guy right next to her. Like, brother, what are you doing? I don't like hitting stereotypes, people. I don't like hitting stereotypes, but seriously, that was a double doozy, because it was a lady and it was an Asian lady. Oi, oi, oi. But enough of that. I am getting annoyed waiting here. Novelties of having a bike, I guess. I'm not going in a sports mode, I'm going in a naked mode where I'm just going to sit closer to the tank. It's just more comfortable, especially while filtering. Looks like a little bit of an inexperienced rider just trying to filter. Or maybe he just misgauged the distance between cars because he popped his foot down. So being first semester, all the newbies are coming in too. So half of them won't even know where the hell they're going. They're going to be confused as oh shit. Because I am not waiting for that. I'll just loop around the front of the university and come in closer to my parking spot. Yeah, well. That I just finished with classes just then. I think I might have already done this unit before because I was talking to the lecturer and he's been around since, well, a long time, and he was just like, yeah, holy shit, I do remember all those assessments. And I'm like, yeah, I remember them too because I'm pretty sure I did them. So things have changed, units have changed, and let's just go back to my original thing of the faculties and the admin and all that stuff are just too, there's so many people like in between. It's, goodness gracious me, it's a bit of a, it's a mess, man. And for someone like me who's already paid for the unit, complete the unit, passed the unit, I got a freaking decent, really high grade in it, it's kind of just like, bruh, I've done this stuff, why? Why on earth are you making me do it again? And not only that, but making me pay for it again. So I need to get in touch with the unit coordinator and the head of faculty to suss this out. Hopefully they can reach an outcome where it's like, oh, you don't need to do it again, which will be good, because that means I can withdraw from this unit. I've already completed it, I don't need to do admin fees and all that kind of crap. You know, setting all that shit up, clearing all that stuff up before it becomes a thing of like, oh, he's already paid for it. Because, you know, I don't want to pay for it again. Because uni units are expensive, man. They're like 2-3 grand. Phew, and boy, that's 2-3 grand adds up real quick, man. I'm telling you. But anyway, I'm on my way home. It's 39 degrees, bro. It is warm. For me, it's okay, not too bad. Because as long as I keep like momentum and motion, the breeze is kind of nice. But if I have to stop, man, holy crud. But yes, anyway, I want to end the video here. Thank y'all for watching. Thank y'all for coming back to my channel. You beautiful people. And you know the goddamn drill that I'm gonna go through. So I'm just gonna say it. Thank y'all for watching. I'll catch y'all in the next one. And for the returning viewers, thank you for your support. For the new viewers who find themselves on my channel frequently, please hit me with that subscribe button. It really helps out. I'm really hoping to try and build this channel up into a motorcycle channel and motorcycle kind of like community kind of setup, and eventually, you know, get so big that I can do like, I can organize rides and stuff like that, you know, with people who are local and whatnot, you know. But once, we'll deal with that once we get to that level. But anywho, thank y'all. I'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace, ride safe, and always remember, deuces.